Hey, and welcome to Nexd. Today I'm going to show you how to easily set up flights to control which creatives are shown to your audience. Let's get started. Flights allow you to display different creatives based on custom rules. You can define conditions such as location, time, language, or other parameters, and Nexd will automatically decide which creative to show. Today, I'll walk you through a simple example of how to set this up. First, go to the campaign where you want to set up the flight. In this example, we have a grocery store in El Paso, Texas. They want to advertise discounted products between 5 and 7 p.m., and they have two language groups in their audience, English and Spanish. Here you can see I've already created the creatives for both language versions. Now, navigate to DCO Tools and select Flights. Now we can start defining the conditions. We begin by identifying conditions that apply to all users. In this case, we know that the ads should only be shown in El Paso and only between 5 and 7 p.m. These conditions apply regardless of language, so they need to be true for both the English and Spanish creatives. So we'll set these as our base conditions. First, select location and type in El Paso. Then click on "and" to add the time range. Set it between 5 and 7 p.m. Make sure the correct time zone is selected. Next, we define the language-specific logic. For that, we'll create a nested condition. Select language is English. Then create another condition group. Set language is Spanish. Now drag the creatives from the creative library. You'll notice there is the word "or" between these conditions. This is because the user can only match one language at a time. Once the location and time conditions are met, Nexd checks the language and shows the corresponding creative, either English or Spanish. You can preview this setup using the Quick Overview button. You'll see both rule combinations listed clearly. If you're working with many rules, you can also use Import Flight Data to save time. This allows you to upload a spreadsheet where each row represents a rule, instead of setting them up manually. Once everything looks correct, click Export at the top. This will generate a single tag, even if your flight contains multiple creatives and rules, making setup much simpler. And that's it. Your flight is now set up and ready to go. If you need any assistance, you can reach out via the chat icon in the bottom right corner or email us at support@nexd.com.